What is going on? It is your man Nathan, and I am here with Katrina. Man, it's the start of a brand new week, and so I was talking to Katrina, and we were talking about how could we show up and serve people as leaders who care about connection, who care about uh, creating change in the world, and helping people who may be experiencing strong emotions right now, whether they be anger, whether they be fear, whether they be anxiety, stress, whatever. How can we support you in dealing with that? And so we are coming to you today to just give you a mindfulness practice you can use to kind of get heart centered, be aware of what's going on, and be okay with it. So, Katrina, what are we going to do today?
Okay, so this is a heartfulness practice, and heartfulness is part of mindfulness. And heartfulness entails practices such as kindness, compassion, gratitude, empathy, forgiveness, peace. And so this practice helps us set an intention to be better friends to ourselves and to others. And so this is different from an affirmation. It's about sending wishes and the process of how that makes you feel to send those wishes. So when people are first starting mindfulness practices, it might feel a little bit woo-woo or phony, but the intention in mindfulness is just as important as the attention. So we're just going to send wishes first to ourselves and then to another person. And in heartfulness wishes, we're sending wishes for things that are desirable for all humans, things like peace, safety, happiness. And for us specifically right now, like Nathan and I, it's very important. We've been talking about connection a lot, and Nathan has this mission to eradicate loneliness. And so especially now when people keep talking about social distancing, well, actually what they should be calling it is physical distancing, because people are still connecting digitally, thank goodness.
Mm-hmm.
And so the three wishes that we're going to send are about things that we can all benefit from right now, right? Health, accepting our emotions, no matter what the strong emotions are, how unpleasant they might seem, right? Mindfulness, we're honoring all emotions, and that feeling of connection. So those three things: health, accepting emotions, and connection. Are we ready?
Yeah, let me just repeat that one more time. So, health, accepting our emotions, no matter what they are, because they're all okay, and then connection. All
Yeah.
right.
Yes.
All
Okay.
right. I'm ready, teacher. Let's go.
All right. So in the mindfulness practice, if it's comfortable for you, go ahead and close your eyes. Especially for heartfulness, it might be helpful for you to put your hand on the heart to feel the experience. Plus, the you have oxytocin, the bonding hormone that's released by touching the heart. So, yes, if it's comfortable, close your eyes. And as I say each wish out loud, you can just repeat it in your head for yourself. And just keep thinking of that kind wish until I move on to the next one. So first of all, just notice what emotion you're feeling as your hand is on your heart, and wish for yourself the wish. May I be healthy. May I accept my emotions. May I feel connected. And now that we've taken care of ourselves first, that taking care of ourselves first can allow us to be more equipped to serve others. So now we'll wish all of those same things for everyone around us, or universally. So The next wish to repeat to yourself is, may we be healthy. May we accept our emotions. May we feel connected. Allow yourself to just feel the sensation of breathing. Maybe you feel the chest rising as your hand is on the heart, or maybe you feel the breath in the belly or in the nostrils. And then whenever you're ready, allow yourself to open your eyes and become mindful of seeing. And just note to yourself what you're thinking, what emotions you're feeling. And that's a very, very short, simplified version of a heartfulness practice.
Yeah, so if you guys found value out of this video, make sure and share it with a friend, because I know your friends can benefit from this the same way you did. And what we want to make sure you know is this is a time that you get to lead, you get to love, and you get to listen. Whether it's leading yourself, leading others, loving yourself, loving others, or listening to yourself or listening to others, you have the capacity and the capability to make all of that happen. If you have other things you would like us to dive into, please comment and let us know, and we would be happy to provide you some of our knowledge so that you can create more connection and more mindfulness around what you are experiencing right now, and know that it is okay, my friends. And with that, you can catch us on the next one.